Yeah. This one is a Beko Bush.
Bestel scrap.
Bestel scrap. What happened to this one?
Spider. It's gone. I wanted to try and fix it, but I didn't have the right tub. Motor can stay on it. I'm not fucking know that thing.
Oh, I got a watcher.
Whee.
Who, I don't know. But at least it's working. Yesterday's one still hasn't uploaded. It's showing and everything, but it's not watchable.
No.
Is that no good either?
Huh?
Is that no good?
What?
The draw.
No, I got plenty.
How are the fish doing in the bucket?
Yeah, they're fine, yeah.
No way the cat can get them.
No, door's shut.
Cat doesn't even like the workshop.
No, very rarely goes in there.
No, only if he smells his food.
Yeah. I was going to take the top front off of this for a future one, but no.
No.
What time you've got to go?
7.
7.
Oh.
The front panel salvageable.
Got one.
Hmm.
And loads of doors.
Hmm.
Got plenty boards, but they're all blooming different.
There's an old one.
Oh, there's the screws
4 or 5
there,
year old.
Philip.
I know.
One's over there and one's there. Do they get one of them
I'll
like that?
sort them out in a minute.
I'm just thinking, look, I don't need to lose them.
I only need like one.
Hmm. Making room so that it's clear out there for the scaffolding.
Yeah.
Do you want me to get someone to help carry any stuff out or anything?
No, because it's all out there. He just said leave the key. And then he'll sort it out. He probably won't, but I bet you he turns up when I'm here.
Yeah.
Which is what I'd rather do, otherwise he'll probably take one look at it and go, oh, I can't lift that on my own.
Exactly like last
Well,
time.
at least you'll make sure that it goes, won't you?
Well, this is the thing. This is why I'd rather he was here, but
Hmm.
unless he brings someone.
Your cold is no improvement.
Well, I don't have a headache or anything. Or a sore throat. It's just a bit of a sniffle now.
Alright, well, you've got to leave at 7:15, so I'm just thinking what time I'm going to cook David's dinner.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, it's good you're getting rid of all these machines.
Well, I would have done it anyway, but they all sort of came at once, didn't they?
Oh, we worked out that Phil's home for most of the time you were away.
Yeah, because you know I've got those Thursday, Friday, Monday,
I know, but
Tuesday.
Kev can still.
Oh no, I know that, but it's just I didn't know if you'd realised.
I didn't want him to feel that he had to be responsible for David.
No, I know that, but I just thought maybe you didn't.
Yeah, I've got it.
No.
I've got it on the calendar. HH. I wanted him to do something. I was hoping he'd go away for a couple of days if that's what he wanted to do. So I said, if Kev's here to sort things out, we'll just leave it because it's important that he has a break and does something.
Oh, he's coming up to the end of the month anyway. 2 viewers. No comments yet. Peoples, if you're watching, Awesome Vacuums. Hey, hello. Where's
Well,
comments?
that proper gardener hasn't got back to me, so I'm going to go on next door and I'm going to get someone to just do it. I know what I'm talking about. I'd use the word mullering, but
Always save the
as much
feet.
as I can.
Huh? Yeah.
Because it ain't going to be done again after that, for sure.
No.
There's no
Just
no way.
hack most of it down. You won't notice. You won't notice.
No. He won't care now, will he? When's he ever come down here now? Really?
How's life? Yeah, very good, mate. How do I reply? I can't see.
Oh, I did say